my friend. Welcome to my channel, Magical Drawing. Subscribe to me. Today we will draw and color cute peppers together. We need these colors: yellow, red, orange, and green. Did you know that bell peppers can come in different colors: red, yellow, orange, or green? Each color has its own unique taste and aroma. And also an important fact, bell peppers contain a lot of vitamin C. One red pepper contains approximately 3 times more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C plays an important role in supporting a healthy naming system. forget to subscribe and like me. I will be very happy. me. Did you manage to repeat the drawing? Thank you for being with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.